This time, we'll be taking a look at the shared storage high availability cluster and be making configurations based on the number of disks as well as the data groups. We'll choose RAID Z2, just as in the previous example. Let's pick 20 disks in a group, 2 groups, and a single disk capacity of 2 terabytes. Just like in our single node calculations, let's go ahead and get the full calculation report. And we can also switch between group redundancy levels and see how the parameters change. The cloning of Z-pools is also possible. You can add new configurations and see all your current configurations in the system summary as well. A support plan selection is also available from this configuration. Do note that based on the fact that we have a shared high availability cluster, the system will generate 2 of the same support plan. This time, we'll choose a 3-year premium support plan and then download the report in a PDF file. But what if we decided to choose the RAID Z1 group redundancy level with the requirements that we've already set instead? If we do that, the system will show us that it's strongly recommended not to use more than 8 disks in a data group, at least not if we're looking to get the best performance. The high availability cluster can have up to 3 Z-pools only. Why is this? Well, because adding more pools will affect the read and write commands extension, which may lead to a failover failure.